Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an incredible platform that you can use to find done for you digital products ready for you to sell online. So you don't even have to go through the stress of creating these digital products yourself, okay? So an amazing platform that you can use to source digital products to resell on your website, on Etsy, or any other platforms out there is none other than Digital World Flippers. So Digital World Flippers is actually a platform that provides you with done for you PLR and MRR ebooks and templates that you can sell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profit. So as you can see, you can get started in 3 simple steps. Just buy a product, brand it as your own. You can put your name as the author with some of those products, guys. You can change the ebook cover so it doesn't look like everyone else's, and you can even make some changes to the actual content of the ebooks as well. And you only have to pay for those products one time, guys. Think about Digital World Flippers as a wholesale vendor for digital products. You can see there's different ebooks here, guys, that you can purchase. If you guys are into real estate, you can literally buy this book, guys. This one comes with PLR. Okay, so what is PLR? Now, PLR means that you can actually make changes to the book. So this is like the highest form of, resale license that you're going to get with a digital product. You can change the covers, you can edit the content, you can add your own affiliate links or your own product links that you want to add within the book. You can make as many changes as you please and just use it as your own, guys. This is the beauty of PLR. So this product has already been created by an expert in the real estate niche, and you are now legally allowed to just go in there and make a few changes, make a few edits, make it your own thing, put your name as the author. You can change the covers, and you only have to pay a one-time fee of $17, guys. Ghostwriters are going to charge you more than $17 to help you write a book, okay? So for $17, you're essentially just getting a done for you book that you would have probably spent thousands of dollars hiring someone to create for you, guys. This is insane. And you're only paying a one-time fee of $17. As you can see, with this book, you're able to resell it at your own price. You can use it for personal use if you just wanted to educate yourself. You can add it to your paid membership website. You can modify the content. You can change the content graphics, ebook covers, and things of that nature, guys. And you just have to buy the book, download it, make your changes, and start reselling it as many times as you please, okay? So Digital World Flippers offers you so many different digital products, from ebooks, planners. You guys can just check out the website. You can see all the different products being sold there that you can buy for a one-time fee and then resell those products as your own over and over and over again, okay? And then that way you can start generating that passive income, guys, on complete autopilot. There's so many niches that you can tap into, guys. Anxiety detox, credit repair, crypto, bodybuilding, content marketing, delicious fish recipes, like so many products, guys, that you can tap into. So head over to Digital World Flippers if you're looking for the best supplier of digital products that you can resell as your own and make 100% profit.